Very good morning to you all, dear students. As we have read the poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda, here we have some points regarding the explanation of the poem. Here you see the stanza voice explanation. Pablo Neruda gives a warning to the nuclear powers in particular and destroyers of green world in general. He is giving warning to the nuclear powerful countries in particular and destroyers of green world in general in the name of development, and he is telling them to go for introspection, think upon the larger consequences of their irrational actions. Take 12 hours, the first stanza. If we explain, take 12 hours, months or years, and then keep quiet just for once on the earth without speaking in any language, because language creates barrier. Language creates barrier. Just for 1 second, stop moving arms, either for work or fight. Here, arms means weapons too. Means in the first stanza, stop moving arms. The arms, the word has double meaning. One meaning is, all the organs of the body, but other another meaning is arms means weapons. So stop your weapons, stop moving your weapons, and stop moving your arms also. Second stanza, definitely without rush and running engines. Such quietness will be a fantastically wonderful experience. In the absence of rush and running engines, such will be a wonderful experience. All will be together all of a sudden. Suddenly, all will be together in a strange manner, talking to one another in the language of silence. Means nobody will talk, only silence prevails. Third stanza, fishermen will stop fishing, harming whales or oceanic ecology. Salt gatherer to look thyself, his injured hands salt gatherer, or the fishermen, they will stop their work and they will look towards themselves, their own position. Those who are madly and unreasonably involved in destroying nature for development, and those who are hell bent on getting victory with no survivors, means those who are collecting newer and newer nuclear weapons, missiles. Why they are collecting so? They are collecting to get victory over others. But such victory will give them no survivors. They can get victory, but without survivors. So such people will participate in peace movement by putting on clean clothes. Here, clean clothes means clean clothes stand for new beginning of peace, putting off the war mongering tainted clothes. Why the poet is telling clean clothes? Because you had enough tainted clothes. War mongering means extremely desirous for war, for getting victory. Now put off those tainted clothes and put on such clean cloths to spread the message of peace and harmony across the world. This 1 second silence, the next stanza, this 1 second silence is not the state of the fourth stanza. This 1 second silence is not the state of inactivity but supreme activity. And supreme activity is activity within introspection. Means if you observe 1 second silence, it doesn't mean that you are going in the state of inaction. No, it is the supreme action, and action is going within yourself. Activity within introspection, thinking the result of one's own deeds, particularly the superpowers. What will be the result of their deeds? What will be the result of nuclear war? And what will be the result of such unreasonable destruction of nature in the name of development to fulfill your own material benefits? Because the war will leave no victory but trucks loaded with dead bodies. Whether it is the war against the nature or war against any country, what will be the result of such kind of war? War against nature or war against any country? War against ecology, war against any race or community or any country or any nation, what it will result? It will result in trucks loaded with dead bodies. The single mindedness, and why it happens? Because you all have, and we all have, developed single mindedness or self centeredness to our own life. Own benefit is the root cause of sadness. It is the root cause of sadness that we are thinking about ourselves only. I am thinking about myself. You are thinking about yourself. Somebody is thinking about himself. This is the root cause of sadness. And life threatening approach that will bring nothing except death and miseries. It will bring nothing except death and miseries. Only huge silence for 1 second. It will accumulate, it will re energize your energy, it will accumulate your new energy. And only huge silence can shatter such sadness of death and miseries. Thinking upon the consequences of your deeds, introspection, will save the world a lot, save you a lot, will save your energy, positive energy. You will gather your potential, your shattered potential, you will gather. The poet has given, at last, the poet has given the imagery of earth as a seed is sown in the soil, but it sprouts after some days. If a seed is sown, if a seed is buried in the soil, in the earth, after some days it will sprout. So the germination period is the period of silence. It doesn't mean the seed is destroyed, the seed is buried permanently. No, it will take some times for germination, and after that it will have a new beginning of life. In the same way, if we observe a silence for 1 second, this will bring a miracle in our life. During the germination period, as the seed takes the germination period, this silence period is the germination period of our new energy. There will be new beginning. The period of germination of the seed is the time of silence that can start a new beginning after a while. After some times, it will start a new life. As the seed takes some times to germinate, after that it will sprout, develop as a long tree. In the same way, if we observe a silence for 1 second, it will germinate, it will give us, it will sprout, it will develop as a huge and miraculous kind of life. So the poet urges the human beings to observe this quietness, and he is ready to depart to save the world, to save the planet. You all should go for introspection. Think upon yourself, the result, the consequences of your actions in the larger context, not in the context of yourself, in the larger context. What will be for the humanity of this planet? And the poet has given some points, very relevant. You all read it, try to understand. We meet with some more points. Thank you.